Here's a secret. Listen carefully. Many successful traders follow the trend to maximize their profits. However, it's crucial to note that trends don't last forever. Just as Newton's law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction, every trend eventually experiences a reversal. Experienced traders possess the confidence to identify these reversals through price action and reversal patterns, utilizing their knowledge. But over time, what if I told you that a concealed indicator on Tradingview has the ability to predict reversals before they unfold? When integrated with our strategy, this indicator can produce astonishing results that even seasoned traders would admire. The best part is that beginners can utilize this indicator without prior experience. When applied correctly, it has the potential to generate substantial gains in the market. This indicator incorporates the same price action codes and patterns relied upon by experienced traders to excel in the market. It's not a simplistic RSI or MACD strategy meant to deceive you. Many fellow traders have effectively employed this strategy, yielding monthly profits exceeding $50,000. I'm about to disclose this indicator and the strategy, illustrating how to use it for precise sniper trade entries. Every step I elucidate is pivotal, necessitating your complete focus and attention until the video concludes. As I always emphasize, your future lies in your hands. The effort invested today will unquestionably yield outcomes tomorrow. Therefore, I urge you to watch the video until the very end and heed every word I utter. Without further ado, let's commence. Open Indicator Setup Access Tradingview and navigate to the Indicator tab. In the search box, type Red Everex by Red K Trader. Apply it to the chart. After loading, you'll observe an indicator resembling RSI attached at the chart's bottom, revealing candle volumes within. Red K Everex is an indicator employing volume price analysis principles to assess relative volume and associated price action for each bar. Represented by a 100 by 100 oscillator, it simplifies the fusion of price action and relative volume to accurately portray trends and reversals. Now, let's configure the indicator settings. Maintain the length at 10 and alter the moving average, MA type from WMA to EMA. Keep other settings unchanged. Save the settings and let the indicator reload itself. Once reloaded on the right scale, position your cursor at the 50 level. Click the plus button to draw a horizontal line at that level. Repeat for the minus 50 level by placing the cursor on the scale and pressing the plus button. Let's explore how to execute trades using this potent indicator. This segment is of utmost importance, so ensure you pay careful attention. To initiate buy trades, concentrate on the minus 50 level as an entry point. Wait for both lines to dip below this threshold. Once they're both below minus 50, patiently observe the white line crossing the orange line in an upward trajectory. This intersection unmistakably signifies an optimal bullish trend reversal condition. For sell trades, the process remains akin. Wait for both lines to ascend beyond the 50 level, then closely monitor the orange line as it crosses the white line in a downward motion. This will indicate a bearish trend reversal. But hold on, before we execute trades, let's seek further confirmation. Note these crucial points to enhance accuracy, potentially reaching up to 95%. It's vital to attentively follow this video for a comprehensive comprehension. First and foremost, recognize the significance of volumes. When setting up a buy trade, ensure robust volume in the market. You can assess this by observing the colored bars on the indicator. The vivid green hue denotes substantial volume. Consider this example. Both lines rest below the minus 50 level. Subsequently, the white line intersects the orange line in an upward trajectory. Now let's scrutinize the volume. The presence of a highlighted green bar points to the optimal position for initiating a call trade. Regarding sell trades, when both lines surpass the 50 level and the orange line crosses the white line, be on the lookout for an orange highlight within the volume. This serves as a definitive signal for an ideal selling condition, warranting the commencement of a trade. Secondly, it's paramount that the lines intersect each other beyond the demarcated 50 levels. Trades where lines cross within these levels won't be considered. Examine these instances of erroneous trade entries. Despite line intersections, they don't exceed the 50 level for a sell trade. Likewise here, the lines don't dip beneath the minus 50 level, indicating an inapt and unfavorable entry point. Executing a trade merely commences the process. The true magic lies in adeptly managing it to extract maximum profit while curtailing risks. Now we'll unveil how to deftly manage your trades without incurring any losses. Rather than adhering to fixed risk-reward ratios, we're embracing a dynamic approach that aligns with prevailing market conditions. Our objective is a 100-point profit, yet we won't cling blindly. Instead, we'll remain open to potential market reversal signals. Let's delve into a couple of illustrative examples. Upon identifying a confirmed buy trade meeting all requisite conditions, we confidently execute the trade. Swiftly, the market begins to exhibit movement in our favor, culminating effortlessly in the achievement of our 100-point profit target. Now, let's delve into a sell trade that unfolds as a perfect entry opportunity. Guided by confirmed indicators, we initiate the trade. Yet in this scenario, our trajectory falls short of the 100-point target. Instead of protractedly waiting, we strategically exit the trade when the indicator lines intersect in the opposing direction, heralding a potential reversal. Hence, the concept is straightforward. Engage in trades as lines cross above or below the 50 level, and patiently await the attainment of your 100-point target. Should the target elude the 100-point benchmark and lines crisscross counter to the trade's orientation, opt to conclude the trades with a modest profit or minor loss. Embark on an exploration of different settings to ascertain the ideal harmony for your distinct trading style. Keep in mind the step-by-step instructions I elucidated in the video. If necessary, revisit the content to fully internalize the strategy, thereby achieving true mastery. To recap and optimize profits, I recommend embarking on a journey of at least 100 demo trades. This endeavor will refine your methodology and instill confidence before venturing into real money trading. A meticulous analysis of the concluding example is strongly encouraged. Maintain acute focus. Here, the lines are situated beneath the -50 level demarcation, harmonized with a robust signal from the volume indicator. Seize the moment to initiate your trade during this candle, fixing your sights on a 100-point target. The realization of this target unfolds with astonishing ease. May you have found this video to be an invaluable resource. For a wealth of exceptional indicators and profit-generating strategies, be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. I pledge that you will gain access to bona fide strategies that are entirely cost-free, diligently steering you toward prosperous trading endeavors. Given your dedication and persistence in reaching this point in the video, I am confident your commitment to trading will yield significant rewards in due course. Maintain your steadfast pursuit of excellence, and I eagerly anticipate welcoming you in our forthcoming videos. Until then, take care and farewell.